Hi guys, thank you so much for being here. Recently I moved into my boyfriend's place over the summer between second year and third year of university. So that meant I moved all of my stuff here, and something that I learned while moving here is that I have a lot of clothes, and I mean a lot. The problem with this being is for a personal reason, my clothes wouldn't fit into the wardrobe that he already has in his room, so I ended up buying this clothing rack with compartments. I'll get back to that in a minute. Secondly, as I've become more fast fashion free, learning about the problems of fast fashion and hoarding too many clothes especially, it made me realise that I do not need all the clothes that I own. So I thought in today's video that I would do a clothing purge with you. So essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to only keep the clothes that I know that I really love, that I wear a lot, that I enjoy wearing and that I feel good in. Anything else, whether it just be a piece I have as a, well, you know, I wear it because my other two jumpers are dirty, so I'm going to wear this jumper. I'm gonna either sell or donate, as we do not want to contribute more to landfills. So over to the right I have two bags. One is going to be for things that I'm gonna donate, and the other is going to be things that I'm gonna sell on my Depop, which I'll have linked down below. Let's get started. So my goal with this clothing rack is I want to have all of my t-shirts, shirts and dresses hanging up, and then in compartments I'm going to have my bras, skirts / shorts, jeans. This is my wig drawer, hence why it's already got my wigs in there, and then there's two more compartments at the bottom that I'm going to have for my underwear and socks, and there's also a shoe rack where I can put my shoes, so then everything is organised and I can see what I have. So let's get started. So this pink shirt that I have here is one of the first ever pieces that I thrifted back in my hometown. At the time I loved it a lot and I wore it a lot throughout college, but as time's gone on I don't really wear it anymore, even though I think it's a really cute colour. I don't really wear it. The buttons for me and my chest specifically aren't secure enough anymore, so I am going to sell this. Next I have this satin maroon coloured dress. I bought this on Depop because I had really been wanting a satin dress because I thought it'd be really cute for summer. I can wear a jumper underneath it for winter to warm it up, and I love this dress so much. I can also wear it as a t-shirt if I took it into jeans or my shorts, so I am definitely going to be keeping this. Next up is my favourite jumper in the world. It is a jumper that Cat Creature, aka Annabelle here on YouTube designed. I'm usually just someone who never really buys YouTubers merchandise, not because I don't support them or anything, but they're usually not my style. But this jumper is everything. I love the colour, I love the design on it, it's my favourite jumper, I wear it every time it's cold, so there is no way in hell that I'm getting rid of this. This is one of my favourite t-shirts. Not gonna lie, my best friend got one for her birthday, I loved it, found it online and bought it for myself. This is a shirt that says vegan zombies must eat grains, because, you know, gotta tell everyone every 5 seconds that I'm a vegan, you know. Next is this beautiful nightgown that I got from an Etsy shop, handmade with faux fur lining. It just, it's so beautiful, so gorgeous. It trails on the floor, it makes me feel so fancy. I feel like women in those black and white movies when they're strolling around their mansion. It's so lovely. So a definite keep. This cardigan was my nan's cardigan. She died when I was 16, and she was my favourite person in the entire world, and so the fact that I have something that once belonged to her means a lot to me. So I am obviously not going to get rid of this, even though all the buttons have come off and it looks like an old lady's cardigan, but I kind of like that. Why sell or donate? I'm gonna sell this one. I'm gonna sell it. Look at me. Here we go. You get to get to a point where you just kind of like, get rid, don't need it, don't wear it. Out of sight, out of mind. See, don't even care it's gone. Again, same with this red jumper. Bought it, loved it. Do I wear it anymore? No. Sell. Bless me. Yes, again, another one of my favourite t-shirts. I got this on Depop, it's hand drawn, and it is Lisa Simpson with "Meat is Murder," because again, gotta tell people every 5 seconds that I'm a vegan. Okay, this is the last jumper. I wear it all the time, which means all the clothes that I had in my think about pile, I am just not gonna think about. I'm gonna get rid. If I had to think about them, I should have just got rid of them. So all I have left to do now is to organise everything so it looks a bit more cohesive, nice, put together, and then we're done. So after a long time, we have finished. This is my clothing rack. So like I said, bras are up here, here are skirts and shorts, this is pants, wigs, underwear, socks. And then here we have my work dress, dressing gown, coat, jumpsuits, long dresses, then lead on to short dresses, which leads on to my jumpers, t-shirts, well, long sleeve shirts, then t-shirts. And then at the end we have my 2 hats and scarf. And down here is where I have put all of my shoes. Here is the sell bag, and this is the donate bag. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would like me to go into depth on all the clothes that I kept. And until next time, I will see you later. Bye!